Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stick your sidebar in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put in your login credentials there, it will simply take you to a page like this. From here what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option here in the right hand side of quick links, and once you click on that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. Then what you need to do is just simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Then here you have to simply search for the group option, then simply press the group there where you would like to do that. So let's say I'd like to go for this one, and let's say I would like to go for this one from here, and then just simply click on the plus icon, and from here what you need to do is simply click on the sidebar option. From here you have to just simply look for the sidebar, and here you can see we're looking for the sidebar option. Or you can also just simply go to the plus icon here again, and once you click on the plus icon you have to just simply click again for the sidebar option from here, and here you can see you're looking for the sidebar, and here you can see I've already got it. Just simply place it to the place that you would like to place it. So let's say I'd like to place this one, and then what you need to do is just simply choose the sidebar from here, and then just simply click on the top navigation bar. Here you will get the option of settings option in the top navigation bar, and here you have to just simply choose the height, margin and other things, and that's how you can just easily change it to the sticky note. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.